Hello everyone! In this video I'll show you how to fix constant beeping of your Xiaomi Electric Scooter 5. If your Xiaomi Electric Scooter 5 is fresh out of the box, you turn it on and it don't stop beeping, and also you can't change driving mode. There is an easy fix for it. Firstly, go to Xiaomi Home app. Next, tap plus in the top right corner and add device. Now scan code to add. Scan the QR code of your Xiaomi scooter. And now reset your device. Once it's reset, as on the screen, select device reset, agree, set passcode, tap done, select room for your scooter, tap next, agree, and now watch riding guide to the end. After the riding guide, tap done, go back, tap cancel, and now when the scooter is fresh out of the box, you'll get prompt: activate the scooter. You have to agree and activate your scooter. Then it should stop beeping and the whole functions will be activated. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.